My name is Nafisabet El Khan. I am going to be sharing with you guys a testimony of how Jesus has changed my life. My life struggle began on the year 2012. I know what you must have think. How can a girl like her suffer and be in pain? My life has been limited. I can't go to church daily, as in I just have to attend only one service. That's unfair for me who longs to go. I feel happy going to church. There was a time when going to church makes me so happy, I feel like I have no burden whatsoever. Jesus Christ made me that way, but sadly that certain someone didn't understand. He limited me from going to church, especially from staying out for church. But when it comes to worldly things, He didn't even limit. Whenever I reach home at 8, didn't limit my time, didn't even call. When I reach home from church late, that is 5 minutes late, He would accuse me of many things. As why do you have to go to church? Why don't you just sit at home like me? That hurts me. I can't help it. And I tried to cut myself, harm myself, poisoned my own food. There was a time I tried to jump from a cliff on a rooftop. When I was about to jump, you know what happened? God helped me push me back and says, I got this. I hear your pain and I loved you. Don't give up. Honestly, I was struggled back. I was overwhelmed. I was like, who said that? I looked around, didn't see anyone. But God, I sensed that someone more bigger than my problems is there. He got me to this spot to share this testimony. After 2 years, that is on the year 2014, I got baptized, and that was the happiest moments of my life. At the moment I got baptized, I got out from the water, I felt all my burdens washed away. I've been in that suicidal thoughts where all total darkness eclipsed you, and where no light whatsoever shines on you. That's how darkness, Satan would work on you. And there was a time when Satan, currently even till now, Satan would tempt me like, why can't you suicide? Why can't you go back? You're a failure to God and to yourself and to your parents. You know what I think? Satan, you're a loser. You have been prophesied that you're gonna fail. We all know how it is. We all know Jesus Christ, and we all know Satan's fate. Satan is working overtime. We all know that. We all know that Satan is working overtime so that because he knows he's going to lose, and he needs as many followers as it is to go with him to hell. Jesus Christ is really the strength. And I thank all of this dedication to the Lord, and especially for bringing an angel. That angel helped me that I should pray daily, no matter the hardship that says you should not pray. So don't give up on Him. He loves you when I can't even love myself. He loves you when you can't even love yourself. Jesus Christ is the way, the truth, and the life. I hope this testimony will be an enlightenment, and to know that who the true love is. The Lord is my true love. I'd rather die with Christ and gain as well with